Hey there, I'm here with a yarn that was designed with scarves and cowls in mind. With Scarfie, you can knit or crochet an entire scarf with just one ball. Let me tell you all about this fantastic yarn. Scarfie is a really soft wool blend. It's lightly spun, which means your stitches will be plump, and whatever you make with this yarn will have a nice fuzzy halo. Yes, Scarfie was designed to give you enough yardage in each ball to make a full-length scarf, but you can use this yarn for so many other projects. It's excellent for home decor and other accessories, and this beautiful color palette has so many sophisticated and neutral hues. There's really so much you can do with this yarn. I've made scarves, hats, and a cardigan with Scarfie. I have a few of the colors here, but there are even more to choose from. Each shade has a beautiful, gradual, self-striping pattern, and the colors come in these classic heathers. Let's get into the numbers. Scarfie is a number 5 bulky weight yarn. In each ball, you get 312 yards of yarn that you can machine wash. And Scarfie is a super soft wool blend of 78% acrylic and 22% wool. I'd love to show you how this yarn works up, so let me grab my needles and my hook. I love working with Scarfie, so I'm happy to have the opportunity to make these swatches. I knit in stockinette stitch on the recommended needles, and I did a double crochet stitch on the recommended hook. This is a wool blend, and it's really so soft. It definitely has a wool feel to it as well. This is absolutely perfect for wearing as a scarf or a garment. You can see the gradual color change in the yarn. It is such a beautiful effect. And this just feels so warm and cozy. It's the kind of thing that I just want to wrap around my neck, which is perfect because it's Scarfie. If you haven't worked with Scarfie yet, you have to grab a ball. Happy stitching!